I used to feel very tired before going to training. I never felt like going there. But now I feel very energized whenever I'm going to training. And many times I'm very excited to go and train. And this is just because of one thing. Just this one thing got me from being tired and not feel like going to training to being energized and always to being energized and excited to go to training. And that one thing is brain points. Now, what is brain points? Brain points is actually the amount of energy that your brain has to spend in a single day. For example, your mobile phone, from which you are watching this video right now, has only 100% of the energy. And when that energy goes down, your phone dies. And how brain points work is just like our phone's battery. When our phone's battery is at a higher percentage, if you play any video game, or you do any heavy activity on your mobile phone, it works very smoothly. Like, for example, if you are editing or you're playing a heavy video game, it works very smoothly if it is at a higher percentage. But when it goes down to 20% or 15%, when it is at a lower percentage, your phone starts to hang. It starts to work slow. You can no more do a heavy activity on your mobile phone. And that is just exactly how our brain works. If you have higher brain points, which you have in the morning, and you go do a very heavy task, which requires a lot of brain points, your brain will work very smoothly and your body will work very smoothly. You will be very excited, very energized to do that work. But if you do the same task last thing in the day, you will never ever feel energized. It will be like 1 in 100 times when you will feel energized. It will not happen. And you will just feel energized. You won't be energized. You won't be excited to do the work as you will be in the morning. Our brain has a total of 200 brain points. Let's take 200 for an example. So if you wake up and the first thing you do is scroll for 10 minutes or 30 minutes, you lose 20 brain points. Then you go out, then you brush your teeth, you lost 10 more, then you take a shower, lost 10 more. And as you're doing tasks, you lose brain points. And that is why if you wake up and go to school in the morning, a lot of your brain points are spent. Then when you come back from school, you go to your coaching, your tuition, a lot of more brain points are spent. And then when the time comes where you have to train for your particular sports, you have no brain points left. And that is why you feel very tired. But there are some solutions. Solution number one, go and train in the morning. Best solution, best solution I can never tell you is go and train first thing in the morning. And this is why training in the morning is better than training in the evening, because you have all the brain points reserved for your brain. I wake up, I put on my earplugs, tap on it, and song plays automatically. I brush my teeth, eat some dry fruits, and go to training. Just take my bag and go to training. And that is why I am very energized and excited for my training in the morning, because I have max brain points. In that process, before training, I lost at max 20 brain points. Let's say 20. And let me tell you, I don't have 200 brain points. I have more than 200 brain points. And I will tell you how you can increase your brain points later in the video. So, training in the morning is better than training later in the day. But if you have some more important tasks, such as business, studies, or maybe recording YouTube videos, or anything like that, if you have a more important task later in the day, sorry, in your life, in that day, then do it before the training, because that task is of priority. And the priority task should be done first thing in the morning, because that is when we are the most productive. And that is why the first thing in the morning, this is me recording my YouTube videos. Second solution, sleep. The best thing to recover brain points is sleep. If you have a heavy task in the morning and then later in the day you have to train, just before training, go and sleep for 45 minutes to 2 hours. For example, I have training at 6 p.m. So I will sleep from 3:30 to 5:30, and that will recover my brain points. Then, as I told you, in the morning, I will go take some dry fruits, get my bag, and go for training. Because I don't have to brush my teeth again, right? So I skip that. I won't touch my phone after waking up. Just for music, I will put on the plugs and play the music. That's all. And that is how I have most brain points in the morning training as well as in the evening training. And that is just my routine. I sleep twice a day and I train twice a day. And I have energy both times because I sleep before both my training sessions. For those who don't have enough time to sleep in before training, third solution, do any form of recovery, cold showers, meditation, breath work, or any other form of recovery. Do that. Best thing, if I recommend you, is sleep. But if you can't do that, I recommend doing cold shower and then meditation. Just go in the shower, turn it on, stay in there for 60 seconds, come out, sit down, and start meditating. Both of them will help you become energized and reset your brain points, but not that much, but not as much as sleep. But they will have a very big impact. Try it for once. And breath work too. There is a Wim Hof breathing technique which you can try. And if that works for you, go with that. Try meditation. If that works for you, go with that. If cold shower works for you, go with that. And if none of those work for you, then I would recommend taking some time in the day for sleep. Adjusting the task you have before training and try to sleep just for 45 minutes or something. I also do that sometimes. I don't have time. I don't have much time to sleep. So I sleep just for 45 minutes or an hour. But there is a wrong way to reserve brain points, which I have seen many do. 2 days ago, me and one of my training partners in the gym, we were talking. He was saying that I don't know why today I went to school and I have more energy during training. And when I came last time, I didn't go to school, but I have less energy for training. Do you know why that is? It's because of rhythm, which is even more important than brain points. Now, what is rhythm? The first 15 minutes of your day decide your rest of the day. Decide what type of energy you will have for rest of the day. And this is nothing strange. Previously, what you did is you woke up, got your phone in your hands, started scrolling, spent the rest of the day on your couch or on your bed watching TV and just laying down, doing nothing. And that is why you had less energy. That is why the rhythm of your day was set with a lazy tone. And that is why you had less energy. But later, today, what you did is you went to school. You must have gotten up very early. You hurried up to school. You just got up, showered, take your backpack, and went to school. And then there also you were very, very energized. One because you had brain points, and the other reason because you had the rhythm going on. And then you kept that rhythm for rest of the day. You came back from school, you went to coaching and all and all and all. And then you are here in training. And you had the energy rhythm for the whole day. And that is why you are more energized today. You feel more energized today than from that day because that is the wrong way to reserve brain points. Reserving brain points is not being lazy and doing nothing. Okay, reserving brain points is doing tasks in an intelligent and tracked way. Now let's talk about how to increase brain points. Like I told you in the video earlier in the video that I have more brain points than you. That is because of my lifestyle, because of my sleep, because of my diet, and other things. So how to increase brain points? Number one, best thing, sleep. Increase the quality of your sleep. Sleep for at least 9 hours a day. And yes, 9 hours a day, and not 7 to 8 hours a day. Because when we are sleeping, 20% of our sleeping time is when we are not in deep sleep, and that 80% of the time we are in deep sleep. So if you are sleeping for 8 hours, like if you sleep exactly for 8 hours, that will be just 6 or 6.5 hours of sleep, not more than that. I sleep for 9 to 10 hours sometimes, and I track my sleep daily. And I sleep for at least I'm in deep sleep for at least 8 hours every day. Second thing, diet and hydration. You have to have a proper healthy diet, high fat and high protein diet, and to good hydration. Drink at least half a pound of water, sorry, half ounce of water per pound of your body weight. So take your body weight in pounds, divide it by two, and that is how much ounce of water you need to drink in a day. Nothing more than that. That is enough. Third is your mental health. Take care of your mental health. Don't be too much stressed. Don't think too much. If you have a bad mental health, you can never have great amount of brain points. If you want great amount of brain points, you gotta have good mental health. Okay, so work on that. Last, have high testosterone levels, and for that you can have a high testosterone diet, which I've included in my course, High Performance Athletes. Link in the description.